Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken cornbread dressing. First, let's start with the foundation, a delicious cornbread base. You'll want to bake an 8 by 8 inch pan of homemade cornbread and allow it to cool completely. Once cooled, crumble it into a large mixing bowl, making sure there are no big chunks. Then, tear 4 slices of day-old white bread into small pieces and add them to the bowl. This combination creates the perfect texture for our dressing. Next, we'll prepare our savory chicken and vegetables. Begin by boiling about 2 pounds of chicken until it's cooked through, then shred it into nice, bite-sized pieces. In a separate pan, sauté 1 cup of chopped celery and 1 cup of chopped onion until they are tender and fragrant. Now, combine the shredded chicken, the softened vegetables, and 1 cup of rich chicken broth in a bowl. This mixture brings incredible flavor and moisture to our dressing. Now it's time for expert seasoning and binding. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of dried sage, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Pour this aromatic egg and seasoning mixture over your cornbread and chicken blend. Then, gradually add 1 1/2 cups of additional chicken broth, mixing everything gently until it's just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want a tender dressing, not a tough one. Finally, we'll bake our dressing to golden perfection. Spoon the entire mixture into a greased 9 by 13 inch baking dish, spreading it evenly. Place it in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for approximately 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown and the center is set. Let it cool for 10 minutes before serving this comforting, delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.